Our presentation is on tobacco. Our first thing that we're going to talk about is the lungs. These are pig lungs. This is a lung that has been infused with smoke, and this is a regular lung. This is what your lungs will look like if you smoke, and this is what your lungs will look like if you don't smoke. And what we're going to do with those is you can like blow them up and see the different ways that the air flows through it. If you look at the black one, the air doesn't flow smoothly. This one, it blows up much bigger, and the only reason it doesn't actually get that big in your body is because your ribs like contain it.
Sure. And smoking doesn't only affect your lungs, it affects other parts of your body. So the smoke, like the soot and all the stuff that goes into the cigarettes, that goes into your body, doesn't only go to your lungs, it gets into your bloodstream and it goes into your heart, and it can affect all sorts of different parts of your body. And it also really does nasty things to your mouth, and we have a little example.
Yeah,
it's like a little model of what your teeth look like when you smoke, and it's not pleasant to look at. Oh, and we also don't have our little tar jar.
It shows a year's worth of tar that goes into your lungs if you smoke for a year. It's, how big is it, like this big?
It's a big jar filled with tar.
Yeah.
Hence the tar.
Some of the nasty stuff that goes into cigarettes, the one that like people remember the most is whale vomit.
You are inhaling whale vomit. That is not pleasant.
Acetone, which is found in nail polish remover. Ammonia, which is in toilet bowl cleaner. Arsenic is in rat poison. Carbon monoxide. Formaldehyde. Gas chamber poison. Sewer gases, and rocket fuel. Those are just a few of the about 4,000 chemicals that go into cigarettes, and more than 100 of those are cancer-causing.
More than 400.
400. More than 400.
So anytime you feel like, oh, this is cool, I'll try this, you're inhaling whale vomit. That's all you have to know. That's just disgusting. It's just disgusting. And not only is smoking like bad for you, just smoking, but yeah, for you, it's also bad for the people around you, and if you're around smoke. So secondhand smoke, which is on this lovely board right here. What?
Come over here.
So secondhand smoke is when you are around someone that is smoking or is like around cigarettes or something like that, and it's smoke that comes from the burning tobacco that is inhaled by the smoker. And before the smoke from a burning cigarette is unfiltered, it contains about twice as much tar and nicotine from smoke that is inhaled through a filter. So through them blowing it out, you're actually getting all the really bad, nasty stuff as well. So it's not just the effect of you inhaling it straight from a cigarette, it's from being around the exhale and just being around the toxins that come from it.
And third-hand smoke is like you walk into a smoker's house and like on the walls, like the wallpaper is peeling off, and underneath it's got all that yellow stuff, or you can smell it on their coat, or it happens to animals, like if they lick it off their fur. That's third-hand smoke. It's just a step below. Like you all your senses tell you it's there, but it's like you can't see the person smoking.